Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths Probability Exercise 16.2 question number 5. Let's see the question. 3 coins are tossed. Describe, they have given 5 subdivisions. Let us write the sample space for 3 coins tossed. So your sample space will be, let me write 2 coins tossed first. HT, TH and TT. The same way I am writing again. Now at the back on the first row write H, here on the second row write T. Your first subdivision is 2 events which are mutually exclusive. That means the events should have does not have elements which are same. Here I am taking A to be 3 heads and B to be 3 tails. So therefore A will be H, H, H and B will be T, T, T. So now A intersection B. Mutually exclusive means A intersection B will be 0. It will have a null set. So here the A intersection B, there is no same element, so it is a null set. Therefore A and B are mutually exclusive event. You need to give your own example. It's not only HHH and TTT, you can write any 2 tail or 2 heads, whatever you want. So it should not be, there should not be any same element in each and you need to give your own examples. Now the second one, 2 events which are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. That means it doesn't have a intersection, and also if the union will give you your sample space. Union will have 8 elements. Now let us take A to be at least 1 head. At least 1 head for A and B 3 tails. Now at least 1 head means 1 and more head. So you will have HHH, HTH, THH, TTH, HHT, HTT and THT. At least 1 head means it will have 1 head and or more than 1 head. Now for B we have taken 3 tails. Now you see there is no intersection between A and B, and also if we take A union B, it will show you your sample space. So here A intersection B is your null set and A union B is your sample space. The exhaustive means it should have all the elements in the sample space. Now A union B is your sample space, so we can write therefore, now in this sum A and B are mutually exclusive and also they are exhaustive. You can give your own example. We can also write at least 1 tail, and for B we can take 3 heads. So even that will have the mutual exclusive and exhaustive events. Now we'll move on to the third subdivision. In the third subdivision it is given that 2 events which are not mutually exclusive. So we need to show an example that there is a intersection between the 2 elements. Let me take A to be at least 2 heads and B to be 3 heads. So this will include both the HHH in both the elements. Now let us take A as at least 2 heads. Already we have written it is triple H, HTH, THH, TTH, HHT, HTT and THT. Now for B we need to show 3 heads which is HHH. Now A intersection B is triple H. So as we have an intersection, we can say therefore A and B are not mutually exclusive. You can show one element or more than one element also. It's not necessary that we need to show only one element. It can have many elements also. But that there is a intersection. There is many number of intersection in A intersection B. Only then we can say it is not a mutually exclusive event. Now in the fourth subdivision, they have asked us to write two events which are not mutually exclusive and exhaustive. Now let me take A as not mutually exclusive and exhaustive means we can take A as at least, here at least 2 and the same as at least 3. We can take the same example for third subdivision. Here we can see that A intersection B is HHH. So they are not mutually exclusive and they are also not mutually, not exhaustive because we don't have triple T in both the thing. So A intersection B is equal to HHH and A union B is not equal to sample space. So they are not mutually exclusive and also not mutually exhaustive. Therefore, A and B are not mutually exclusive and also not mutually exhaustive. So we have completed with the fourth subdivision. We'll move on to the fifth one. In the fifth subdivision, they've asked us to write three events which are mutually exclusive but not exhaustive. So let me take A. We need to show three elements A, B and C. A is having 3 heads and B 3 tails. Now C 2 heads. Now let me write all the things. Now A 3 heads is HHH. For B it is 3 TTT. Now for C 2 heads means it should have only 2 heads, that is HTH, THH, HHT. That's all. And A intersection B intersection C is a null set and A intersection B intersection C is not equal to sample space. Therefore, A, B, and C are mutually exclusive because of no intersection but not exhaustive. So as there is no intersection, it is not it's a mutually exclusive event but not exhaustive because it is not equal to the sample space. That's all with the sum. Thank you.